Hello, friends, and welcome back to Coop. Coop is a place where we talk about travel, luxury, lifestyle, and everyday entertaining. So, as you all know, a big part of my lifestyle is planning. I find that putting everything down on paper and writing everything out longhand really helps me to slow down, and it definitely reduces my anxiety. So, I absolutely love being a planner. Sometimes I'm more minimal, and sometimes I'm a lot more decorative. So this time, lately, I've been in a pretty decorative mood. So what you see doing first for my May monthly is I put down dots to indicate days that I have special items. And I almost needed to put down dots on days I didn't have anything because almost every day seems to be booked to capacity. So a lot of what you will see are spots where I put down meetings. Those are not for my everyday meetings, which we all have during the day for work and for whatever our vocation or avocation. Those are special meetings that involve other people. So I wanted to put down some indicators for those. You'll also see me putting down the holidays that are falling in the month of May, as well as on May 7th, it is my sister's birthday. So I put down a little cupcake and the words, "Happy Birthday" there. In the comment box or the description box below, I will put down all of the different sticker books that I used. And so on the 11th, I have Bible study, so I just put down a little Bible to indicate that. Also, I had kind of fallen into using more of this pink blush kind of color. I realized that the birthday stickers are silver foil, and then I'm using more gold foil. I don't mind mixing metallics most of the time. Sometimes, I really try to stay away from that, but a lot of the times I don't mind mixing metallics. And then I'm just indicating my paydays. So I'm putting in my 2 paydays for the month from my employment and also my payday at the end of the month that is for Kindle Direct Publishing, Amazon merch, and YouTube, and all of my other streams of income usually come at the very end of the month. And so you see now I'm adding in a few more decorative elements just to jazz it up now that I have all of those things squared away. What I use my monthly for is as a reference point during the month when I'm doing my weekly planning, because weekly planning is really where the rubber meets the road for me. And what I use on the daily basis, I look at my daily schedule and my weekly schedule every single day. And so I use the monthly spread as a way to have a reference point for when I'm doing the planning for the more detailed planning throughout the weeks. And so you'll see here I'm switching out some stickers because as I really got into it, I got more and more decorative and really started to fall in love with this spring theme. I found these cute little girls that were sitting on a picnic blanket, as well as, some trees and some other things that were inside of this book. And again, I'll list the sticker books down below. So that's about it for my spread for the month, and thanks for watching. Here's a few shots of how it all came out.